You've heard James say it a million times. Respect the Polygon. At Weather Call, we make the Polygon better. We call, text, or email you so you'll always know when you're in danger. No matter who you are, there's a Weather Call solution right for you. Check us out at weathercallservices.com.
It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Friday, May 31st, the last day of meteorological spring. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather should be fairly quiet today. There could be a few spotty showers on the western side of the state later, but the weekend will be wet at times, but not a total washout. A lot of questions about the weekend situation, so let's see if we can answer them. Here's the upper air look this morning. Got a trough over the Atlantic coast, troughing over western Canada, ridging in between. We note yet another MCS over Texas, and a little light rain over parts of central and south Mississippi. That's a dissipating MCS, mesoscale convective system. And again, we could see a few scattered showers over west and southwest Alabama later today, but a pretty good chunk of the state will likely be rain-free. Got a few upper 50s in northeast Alabama this morning. 59 for Gadsden, 58 for Center. Most other locations are in the 60s. Mobile, 71 as the day begins. We're expecting highs in the mid-80s in most spots today. Here's the watch warning map. Flash flood watches in effect for parts of North Texas, northwest Louisiana, some of the adjacent states. A severe thunderstorm watch, including Houston this morning. Here's the severe weather outlook for today. Active weather west of Alabama. Got a chance of severe storms. Parts of the western high plains, much of Texas, into Louisiana, Arkansas, and Mississippi. And then tomorrow, much of Alabama in a low-end marginal risk of severe storms. That's level 1 out of level 5. And again, there's no tornado threat. There might be a few storms with small hail and gusty winds, but it's a very low-end threat. Then on day 3, which is Sunday, got a risk of severe storms across parts of the Great Plains. So look at the rain for the next 7 days. This is valid through Friday morning of next week. And for most of Alabama, rain amounts on an average basis between 1 and 2 inches. We do believe we'll see drier air creeping in here by Thursday and Friday of next week. But Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll have the chance of at least scattered showers and storms. And again, some rain at times over the upcoming weekend. Hurricane season begins tomorrow. And for now, the Atlantic Basin very quiet. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06Z run. This is valid today at 4 o'clock. That trough moving off the Atlantic coast. A little shortwave through Arkansas, Oklahoma, Missouri. And again, the bulk of the rain today should be west of Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, Louisiana. But let's check the high-res HER model, valid this evening at 6 o'clock. And you can see evidence of a few scattered showers in a broad band from the Shoals down to Tuscaloosa, Selma, and Andalusia. So we'll mention a chance of a few scattered showers this afternoon and tonight. But the better rain coverage will likely come during the day tomorrow. A lot of clouds around with scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms. And many outdoor events happen on the first day of June. You got baseball tournaments, you got weddings, you got family reunions, and everybody wants to know when's going to rain. And again, it's really beyond the science to tell you exactly when and where it will rain, but just be aware it's going to rain at times. But this is what the radar might look like tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock as the day begins. So 7 o'clock, a fairly large area of rain from the Tennessee Valley down to Birmingham near Montgomery and into South Alabama. And then that area of rain moves into Georgia, and additional showers and storms form later. This is tomorrow afternoon at 5 o'clock. And you can see it's not going to rain all day, and it's not going to be raining everywhere, but there will be showers and thunderstorms around. So just be aware of that tomorrow and tomorrow night. A lot of clouds. Highs low 80s. That's pretty much the same thing on Sunday. Scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms with low 80s, the sky mostly cloudy. Next week, not a lot of change on Monday or Tuesday. On both days, a number of showers and thunderstorms around, and quite frankly, the same thing on Wednesday. And understand, it's inconvenient, but getting some good rain in early June is not a bad thing. It's a good thing. That good, deep soil moisture is good to have going into the heart of summer. But looky here. Evidence a dry continental air mass will push in here Thursday of next week. And if this works out, and there's been some consistency in the idea, much of the state will be dry, maybe a few showers for the Gulf Coast. And this is a week from today, Friday, June 7th. Got a trough coming into the Pacific coast, a trough over the Northeast, ridging in between. And for us, we would be dry with highs in the mid to upper 80s. Let's go out to 10 days. This is Sunday, June the 9th. A northwest flow aloft. At evidence there might be a few spotty showers around, but probably nothing too widespread. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. This is between now and the 15th of June. And we're looking for that green line. And those numbers are not bad for the first half of June. The mean between 2 and 3 inches here. And I don't know about you, but my least favorite kind of weather situation to deal with, it's a drought and a heat wave. I just don't like those. And again, getting some good rain early in the season is a good thing, in that soil moisture can help maybe mitigate those heat wave conditions later. Of course, it's always hot and muggy in the summer, but I'm talking triple-digit heat. But no sign of that coming off the NBM, the National Blend of Models. This is valid out through June the 10th. Highs in the 80s and lows in the 60s, close to 70 by the middle of next week, as moisture levels should be fairly high. And the latest 8 to 14-day guidance, this is for June 7th through June 13th. Look at all the blue on that map. I like that. The Great Lakes, the Midwest, the Tennessee Valley, below average. That's a win for June, but little above average for the Gulf Coast. The higher anomalies will likely be in the western third of the country, with temperatures there above average. Hey, who likes a good dust devil? I love these things. You know, this was yesterday in Cullman County when those things would pop up on the playground, and when I was a kid, all the other kids would run away from that thing. No, I'm going right in. You get all sandblasted and stuff. But we see those typically on hot, dry days in the state from time to time. Really good-looking sunset last night. Wow. Many of these came from the Gulf Coast. And obviously, it's that time of the year where many people ask about Gulf Coast weather. And understand, tomorrow and Sunday and through the first half of next week, there's going to be some showers and thunderstorms around. Not quite as gorgeous as it's been. But again, just understand there'll be some good breaks in the rain, and you'll see peaks of sun from time to time. But just be ready for a few passing showers. That's a great shot right there. That's like one of those award-winning type shots. These were taken up this way late yesterday. I want to say that was taken from Pell City. And what do you see up there? A couple of condensation trails and high cirrus clouds. But just a lovely day. The dew points were down, which doesn't happen that often this time of the year, so very, very nice. All right, we have a book signing tomorrow in Selma. And we're going to be there from 10 a.m. until 1 p.m. in historic downtown Selma at the Reflections Coffee Shop. And you can get a personally signed copy of Weathering Life, a little bit about my story. And listen, I don't like to talk about myself, but I was hoping that book would be an encouragement to somebody. For those that don't know, I came through a broken family situation and kind of a lot of bumps early, and you can make it. You can overcome things. And then all you can do is pray. That's our book about the generational tornado outbreak of April 27, 2011. Have our Benny and Chipper series for kids. Those are good. The Wonder of Thunder, Prepared Not Scared. The Greendale Tornado, that's a new book we have. And then we'll have all the hats, the cool weather shirts from Crest Publishers. So again, downtown Selma, Dallas County. Tomorrow at Reflections Coffee Shop from 10 to 1. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.